What's up guys, it's GamerGab. So today we are making a Paella Chorizo or something. This is the unboxing for the Paella Chorizo. We have the chorizo bilbao, the rice, and the... I don't know how to pronounce that. And by the way, it's Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day. I guess we'll put the sauce first. Ooh, Paella Chorizo. My mom said mix it, so I'm gonna mix it. Now, add the chorizo bilbao. Just dump it in. That's how it's done.
So while you're cooking, I'm gonna ask some questions related to Mother's Day.
Okay.
Tell me 3 things that you hate about Mom.
I hate the fact that you're so OA. I also hate the fact that you're helping me with my homework and you're working. I'm just asking you if it's correct or not. You won't tell me, and even if you're an adult, when I ask you a simple math question, even I know the answer to, you still have to search it up on Google. My mom is very good at math. That's also sarcasm. Die. We will wait for it to boil.
Okay, so while waiting for it to boil, tell me 3 things that you love about Mom.
I love that you are
You can face
a
here.
workaholic, that you always force me to make food, and I love the fact that you won't let me have a dog. Yes, that was 100% sarcasm. And let me guess, you're expecting me to say kind, smart, sweet. Well, no.
So seriously, what are the things that you love about Mom?
I love the fact that you're cheap. I mean, kuripot in Tagalog. Even if it's just 10 pesos. No, that's too expensive. And I like the fact that you're one of the people that gave me most of my video ideas. So, thumbs up for her. And subscribe also. If you don't, I'll punch you. Just kidding. Now, it is boiling as you can see. Okay, yeah, we will put the rice. Dump it. That is the big mountain of rice. I guess when I'm mixing it, stay down. So this is my mom. When I'm too lazy to continue the video, she continues it for me. Mom, take the camera. This is the finished product. It looks so good, but I'll eat it later because it's still hot. This is what it looks like. Ooh, that's hot. This is our HURRAY rice. Yes. Bye. Please subscribe.